Okay guys, if you wonder what's going on, that's SL500. The vehicle is in pretty good condition, except this bit here. Everything has been burned out. All that's inside in there. The battery was completely gone here, battery module, all those cables are burned out. Those things wasn't existing. I connect them just quickly to see what we can do about that. The reason for the fire, that's the module. You can see the state of it. Obviously overheat and start the fire. We've got the new lifters, got the new module 1200 just for the module, terrible. And yeah, let's crack on. We need to remove the third lifter, which is all the way on the back over there. I remove that one, two bolts here and here, and that one there's a bolt and pin on the other side. That's really easy to reach, but the rest it's a bit more difficult. We're gonna move that lifter and that one out so we can lift the whole bed. So to do that, we need to release the bit. There is. It's fully open now. So we need to go inside the car now. Remove from here. Remove this bit and unlock the roof so we can lift everything up. Now when everything's up, we'll have a bit more access to this bit. Most probably we need to remove all the bolts and lift it up slightly here, but let's see. Okay, in order to install the bolt, that's the bolt, push it all the way in, and see that slot here? It's just going like that, and you have to press it. Take the pliers, hold it like that, try to hold it still as possible, and just pray not to leave it, pray not to slip it down there. That's been installed in the big cylinder. The small one, you can see, that's the pin already there. The cable is going just on the side, it's here, and all the way to the back to that pump there. There's the connectors. Okay. Now, that cylinder on the bottom, that one there, it's held by that. And that is going through that hole over there. Now we need to locate the exact place on the bottom side of the cylinder first, and then put the bolt on. So let's do it. In here, that's the third one. We need to locate in that hole, and we need to extend it so the bolt can go through. That's the pin which I was trying to install just now. Sorry. That's the pin which I was trying to install right now. There's one arm, that's the actual lifter, and that's the second arm which is connects to the top, so all three need to be aligned. And yeah, I'll connect that one and see what next. That was looking for.
Thanks for watching part 1, guys. Next video will be up next week. I pretty much finished the car. There's a few more nasty things which I still need doing, but yeah, it's a brilliant car, really nice to drive, and I'm sure you will enjoy the rest of the repair. Yeah, thanks for the support. Like, subscribe, and yeah, thanks for the help. Peace out.